Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you do not miss a video. So today I did this quick get ready with me. That's the hair, that's the makeup, and of course the outfit. Outfit I got from Fashion Nova, which is like a silk mini dress with a split, which I'll definitely show you a whole body shot. Quick beat. I mean, she's looking kind of cute. Start with the eyebrows, and I'm going to use the NYX gel liner. So you just want to outline your brows and fill them in. I definitely need a wax right now, so we're going to try and finesse these things the best way possible. In the front of your brow, you want to make upward strokes to make it look as natural and hair-like as possible. You see all these little hairs. I don't know if you can see it, but baby, my eyebrows done. Good times, no need to rush, especially if you're just learning. You just take it slow. Boom. You see that? Coloration. Just pat that on. Keep your eye closed, or stretch it open, and just set that in place. So I'm going in Juvias Place palette. I'm going with Zula, which is right here. Blend out the edges. I'm going with this one right here. I think this is Molly. I'm going with this one. Black, you want to take your time, put it where you want it, and then use another brush to blend it out. There's nothing on this brush, it's a clean brush, and you just move that wherever you want it to be. Alright, I did the other eye off camera. So for lashes, I am going to be using my brand Beauty by Taria, and they look like this. Sometimes I apply the glue to the lash. Sometimes I apply it directly. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm applying it directly to my eyes. So you want to get as close to lashes as possible. Alright, so just pop them right in place. Usually the middle. Then you fix the edges. Push more. And there we go. I use Pond's to moisturize my skin because I have a dry skin. Hair has a perfume smell to it. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Black Opal. I know this foundation will look like it does not match, but once I am done, you will see. So for concealer, I'm going in again with the Juvias Place. You're just gonna take that under the eye. Down the bridge of my nose. Chin. One to a bit on the forehead. So for contour, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Stick Foundation, and I believe this is Catsina. And I just take it on my cheeks, and to blend that out, I use this stippling brush. And you just want to use patting motion. It should be damp, but I don't feel like getting up, so just want to pat that out. If it's too harsh, just go around the edges with your foundation brush. I use the Sasha Buttercup. I don't bake because this is dry. So I use the Black Radiance, and this is in the dark deep. Take that off and just set that in place. The Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha. NYX in the color Desert Rose. Now for highlight, I'm going to use the Cover FX, and I kind of go in with these two right here. And I'm just gonna add a little glow. And I take it on my nose. A lot of people don't like that, but I like a shiny nose. Why not? No, nothing too crazy. Just a little Rudolph the red nose. Rudolph the sparkly nose. Why not? And then I also put a little on my Cupid's bow. Because that's just what I like. No particular order. I'm just going to line the bottom. Line my lips with this regular brown. And this is also from my line by Taria.com. By the time you see this video, this should also be available. Alright, so this is the full view. Give it a little thigh action, a little booty action. I have a little stomach, so this little thing here definitely takes away from it. I've paired it with these sandals. If interested in purchasing this item, I will leave this the link for this item below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe again, as I said, and make sure you come back to visit your girl to see what she has next.